So we've just finished on this lug attaching 16 by 12 lugs onto it, and we're gonna now put the heat shrinks over. So the heat shrinks cover from the base all the way to about 1 to 1.5 centimeters down the line. The reason why we heat shrink is so that we additionally insulate our connection points and also help with cable identification. So once you put your heat shrinks onto where you want them, you just start up the heat shrink gun, and as you can see, they start off rather large, and as heat is applied,